Welcome to the video tutorial on the Flussonic Media Server trial version installation. Flussonic Media Server is a server software for video streaming that solves a wide range of tasks from capturing, transcoding, recording archives, and multi-protocol distribution of video content, live and on demand, worldwide, to managing content consumption and video streams. With Flussonic Media Server, you can build a video streaming service of any complexity and scale, including digital television, event broadcasting, sports, concerts, church services, streaming service for bloggers and gamers. To test out the Flussonic Media Server, we're providing you with a trial period. During the next 2 weeks, you can assess how suitable this product is for your requirements, evaluate the necessary hardware, and determine the number of media servers required to support your video service. You can request a trial key for the trial period on this page on our website. You will receive an automatic response by email with a link to access your Flussonic personal account. So you are in your personal account where you can find your trial key under the License Keys section. It is immediately visible when you log into your personal account. To install and configure Flussonic Media Server, you will need a computer with Linux connected to the Internet. The main requirement is that the system must be 64-bit. We strongly recommend using Ubuntu Server. You can find the whole list of system requirements here. Run the command you see on the screen in the Linux console. This way, we launch the installation script from our server. Then start Flussonic Media Server using the command you see on the screen. Now you can open the Flussonic Administrator's web interface in a web browser. On the Start page, Flussonic asks you to enter the administrator's username and password and the license key that you have received. You can check whether your Flussonic installation is correct using the URL, which you see on the screen where your server is the address of the server on which you installed the software. If the web interface failed to open, please check the details in the installation section on our website or contact Flussonic Technical Support. So, everything is ready. All the functionality of the Flussonic Media Server is available for your trial period. You can start testing stream capture or video publishing, and we will talk about this in our other tutorials. See you soon!